Vogel, is plastic sustainable?
For sure, plastic is sustainable. There is a discussion at the moment which is a little bit going in the wrong direction, as I would say, because you have to see which type of plastic we are talking about on the one hand. On the other hand, what use of plastic we are talking about. If you talk about plastic for reusable containers, I think it's the best material you can have. If we are talking about some consumer plastics, which are not under control and which are going into the oceans and so on, this is for sure a problem, because plastic is a long-lasting material, and that is causing problems that we know all from marine littering.
What containers are made from regranulate?
Normally speaking, nearly all containers can have a content of recyclable material. We will find some tenders that are still asking for virgin material, but in case we are not asked to use only virgin material, we are trying to use as much material from recycled sources as we can do.
Is there a difference between quality of containers made from regranulate that containers made from?
No. Normally there is nearly no difference. For sure it depends a little bit on the material we are getting, but if we are taking the sources we are having now, we can ensure that we are offering the same quality for recycling containers as we are doing for containers with new material.
How often can we use recyclable materials?
Let me say it in this way. If we add ingredients, we can do it as often as we want. In normal cases, if a container lasts for 10 to 12 years, or we have some waste bins that lasting for 20 years, we don't talk about 5 cycles. Yeah, because in this time period, we will have different materials, new materials, and so on. But generally speaking, we can keep it in the loop as long as we want. We only need to add ingredients, and we perhaps have to reduce the content of recycling material for the individual bin.
Does the use of regranulate affect in the color of containers?
That's for sure the case. So you cannot remake each color from recycling material. Generally speaking, you will get more darker colors. Yeah? So for example, we cannot create a yellow bin from recycling material. Yeah? Because in the recycling material you will have dark content, and these dark content will not give you a shiny yellow color. But if it is a dark color, then it has no impact.